which is a suitable crop according to the climate and the soil of Kerala. I think I prefer only rambutan and mangosteen. First chance goes to rambutan because it's a temperature, optical temperature, uh, suitable temperature for rambutan cultivation is 17 degrees Celsius to 31, 32. Sometimes in Kerala, in the previous year, sometimes in Kerala, the temperature comes to 38. So there is some problem. So you have to pour some water, pour more than water. According to rambutan watering, you have to take an expense for watering more water. Then so many other problems is coming, but in the next year we can solve that all problems because of discussion, group discussion between the rambutan farmers. So there is the All Kerala Rambutan and Mangosteen Farmers Association is necessary for group discussion and for a gathering and sharing the problems and the solutions also. So in Kerala, it is the suitable crop is rambutan. I think it's rambutan. Most probably rambutan item is N18 is very good, and other item is Rongrian. If you are cultivating mixing with rambutan N18 and Rongrian, then it is a suitable plantation because Rongrian have more than shell life compared to N18 rambutan, because after plucking the rambutan fruit, N18 6 to 7 shell life, 6 to 7 days shell life, and Rongrian I think 10 up to 10 days shell life. So for exporting, Rongrian is best, but a better crop and productivity, and it is good. This plantation is only N18, and it's a well suitable and planned plantation. Okay, I'm just visualizing one ideal rambutan plantation. Its extent comes to 10 acres, nearly 10 acres. Totally 650 plants. The distance between each plants 35 to 40 feet. Now it is an age of only 3 years. Already completed one-time crop and removed the net and harvest already over. It is an example of an ideal rambutan plantation. It is situated in Vellikulangara. Owner is one Jolly. He is a good farmer. He is a well friend of mine. He is a member of Kerala Rambutan and Mangosteen Farmers Association. He is only merely a member. He is a guardian of the association. Local guardian, not local guardian. True guardian. Very nice place. In the next year, I think now, according to Mr. Jolly Chetan, he said he got 15 to 20 kg from each plant, and next year the canopy will be developed and more than 30 kg, maybe comes to 40, 45, more than 30 kg will get rambutan fruit from each plant. And Mr. Jolly Chetan is planning is to develop a farmhouse tourism also. There is a small farmhouse in this plantation. We can see very nice, beautiful place, and a nice greenery is there. The adjacent properties are already plantations, rubber plantations and other plantations. Sometimes wild animals attack his here, occasionally wild jumbo. So he constructed a solar panel. He has constructed a iron wall and a solar panel, solar wires also, electric solar panel also. That comes to he got an expense only 8 to 10 lakhs according to Mr. Jolly Chetan. Cost of electrification and boundary. Okay.